Going to do a glue pull on a Porsche, which is really thick metal. So just not any setup can pull on a Porsche. You really got to have some real power to get this metal to move. Now this is a SteelTab by DentDial.com, and you have a SlotBar by DentDial.com. This setup is completely solid, no flex in it. There's no plastic towers that are going to sag or split a little bit. When you get flex, you get robbed of the power it takes to pull the metal. Also, on a steel tab, you get the perimeter actually pulling. If you have a plastic tab, as it pulls, as it sags and kind of flexes, you get the pull from the center of the tab and not the entire perimeter. All right, let's do it. Got military grade rubber on the ends, very little flex. The whole setup is solid. Look at the flex. That's on Porsche metal, pulling it right on the edge. Wow, that's solid. No denting here from these pads. You got a great setup and a great pull. So there you go, SlotBar by DentDial.com. One of the best setups in the world for glue pulling and paintless dent repair. Thanks for watching.